This is Kara from Mascara.com. I am here with Redken today to show you guys a really cool trick on how to get really pretty loose waves without taking hardly any time at all, just using a flat iron and doing some really cool braids. So the first thing you want to do is when your hair's damp, you want to go ahead and get it with, this is One United. It's got 25 benefits, so it's not only going to detangle your hair, but it's going to do a bunch of things. And the other thing I really needed to do is help prevent heat damage for my hair. Go ahead and let it dry. You can either blow dry it or let it dry air dried. And then you want to section your hair off into 4 different sections, basically taking your part straight back and then going from kind of this back corner of your head, just so the sections are pretty basically even as far as thickness goes. I'm doing 4 sections because my hair is pretty thick, but if your hair is a little bit finer, you can always just do 2, so just pigtail braids. Start just by braiding, just regular braid this whole piece. And we want to start pretty loose up here so that we don't get any kinks. When you get to the bottom, you can either use a hairband. This one's cloth covered, so you don't want to use anything with plastic, that's because we're going to be going over it with the flat iron, so you don't want to get anything burnt into your hair. So you can go over this, but keep it loose, or if your hair will stay, just don't use anything at all. Do the same thing. Okay, now you want to take the flat iron and the braid and just go ahead and run it down the braid. Just slowly run it down, clamping a little bit, a few times. And then you want to clamp it just like this, unclamping and working your way down. I'm going to do it until you feel that there's heat on both sides of that braid all the way through, which will kind of depend on how thick your hair is. And then once you feel that heat all the way through, then you just let that piece cool and you start on the next. So once you're done with all the braids, you want to take something like this Diamond Oil High Shine Airy Mist. It's going to give us a really good shine, and it's also going to keep you from any flyaways, frizzies, or anything like that. Plus it's going to help cool down the braids. So I'm just going to go over each braid with this. Okay, so now's the fun part, just undoing the braids. So you just want to run your fingers through it lightly. Look at how cool. You get a wave that is just really pretty and natural looking throughout the entire head of hair. Okay, now the final step is using this Fashion Waves 07 texturizing spray. And what I'm going to do is get that really liberally all over my hair. One of the keys to using C sprays and texturizing sprays is to use a lot, and then go ahead and claw in to kind of give me that mermaidy, textury, really pretty fun curl. Then once you get it all scrunched, then you're good to go.